Disclaimer, none of this is real, shorty. This is all computer-generated imagery.
DAVO tweaking, shorty.
When you talking about the money, nigga, bitch, you with them strikers, he ain't got no keys. I bought a fast car and made it faster, cause I like.
What up, boy?
I could pull up phones back to back with both the AMGs.
Free of trenches, folks. Where do this got us? We don't even know where we at. You talking about some ski? When you see me here trying to say what's up, this is gang, you stopping that. Stop. You going to jail. You going to jail.
If y'all boys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, man. I drop consistent bangers. And if y'all haven't checked, go over and follow me on Instagram, man. I drop behind the scenes content. Now let's get into the video. It's already recording. YouTube, it's your boy DAVO come to y'all boys with another YouTube video, man. We still in St. Louis, man. We on the way to the crib, but we had to stop in the trenches, man. I got the boys out here. Got my boy Mo, my boy Troy, got my boy KD. He over there looking, he supposed to be looking crazy behind the camera, bro. Where that scat at, boy? Over there. My boy David scat over there, man. So he finna cut up through the trenches. My boy Mo, his ass not even really on shit. He really scared for look. Huh? Folks not even trying to go to the trench. I told some niggas to go there with us, man. They ass bullshit. St. Louis, man, I'm not on shit for real out here, man. But it's cool though, man. Gonna go back to the crib and turn up. This really is a ghost town. If I thought that nigga AJ was just bullshit, this bitch really is a ghost town, bro. They don't be trying to work.
Y'all ass tweaking. I'm not going to no damn trenches.
This guy stinks!
You must be trying to get some camera time.
I'm not going to the trenches, folks. I don't do that, boy.
Let me take it for you.
What?
Which, go to the crib, my shit, and I go to the trenches in your shit, and I just bring it back.
How about I just drop you off in the trenches?
You tweaking, so I'm drop me off in the
They finna, yeah. They see Chain. They finna.
They go see Chain, then they go see FN.
You think you're a man with a gun in your hand, don't you?
You said you gonna see what? But why you standing like that?
You tripping. Shorty, look at the whip. This joint is dirty from the pit, bro. I need a wash, bro. Cause I was finna wash my car, but I'm like, bro, we finna drive another 4 hours back to the crib anyways. But make sure that y'all hit that like button. Enjoy the video. I appreciate all of y'all for 70K. I just hit 70K yesterday, so I appreciate y'all boys for keep subbing up. Finna hit 100K, gang, so just keep rocking with me. We finna get into the video.
Well, what the f is you doing, dude? You tweaking. Tweaking. He tweaking, boy. Hey, he be thirsty to do a burnout, boy. You see what it say, boy? Thank you for supporting the hood, boy.
It's a hood near you.
Yeah, boy.
That's some shiesty boys.
Yeah. He tweaking.
Oh, yeah,
He tweaking.
Cut that shit with a bolt cutter, boy. That ain't doing nothing. That shit only save you 2 seconds.
He ain't never just snatch up for you. You ain't never just let him snatch up. Yo, still like.
Through the alley, though, he tripping.
Yeah, he tweaking.
This bumpy ass alley, he tweaking.
Let's see where he's at.
Boy, hey, he tweaking.
Who just did that? Through the alley, damn, and hit that brake on the side.
You let him do that?
It's okay, I'll turn it off.
You talking about it's okay?
turn the car-
Yeah, he tweaking. We don't turn it off. We about to run to that bitch.
He tweaking. He spanking that motherfucker.
He ain't never just hop in your car and tweak like that.
No. Hey, do it right now.
Ah, he tweaking.
City.
Ah, no, he. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, folks. You just. Hey, bro.
Bro, he dogging his car like that's his or some gang. All right, y'all, we finna go to the mud trenches, man. I know that this is why y'all watching, man. We already, look. Y'all think we ain't already in the trenches or something. We already here. We finna go up the street to the actual hoods, but we finna be going through they shit.
We in zone 6 right now, boy.
Chill out, bro.
Playing crazy.
Keep pressing that green button over there, boy.
A few moments later.
We here.
Alright, y'all, right now we are in Wells-Goodfellow, some shit like that. I picked like the most trench place. This our hood. Fuck what y'all talking about. Oh, that Mo tweaking. Hey, Mo tweaking. Hey, these kids in St. Louis love us, for I love y'all too, gang. You know that. Hey, Mo tweaking. Ah! Hey, his ass tweaking. It's really our city, gang, from the rack to the fucking loo. You know that. We rock with the loo that much, man. It's dry. Y'all really don't be on shit, man. These colleges, they don't really be on shit, but we just gotta turn up by ourselves. We still fuck with y'all niggas, so it's just like, man, we trying to link and be on something before we get on some content before we get up out of here. Look at dude. Trenches, boy. He tweaking. He tweaking on my boy. Oh, he getting that tweak. He getting that tweak, shot him. They gonna get that tweak! Oh, he tweaking! Merch Mo for the slide and shit. Oh, hold on, I gotta come up on the middle, folks. Oh, he finna get out. He finna act crazy. Look, they back there with cord. They back there with cord. Oh. Damn. I thought he was finna spin. Damn. Damn, what DAVO ass go? Ah, DAVO tweaking. DAVO is tweaking. DAVO is tweaking, gang. He tweaking. DAVO tweaking, shawty. Hey, damn, I want to get out, fool. I don't want to leave my car. Ah, yeah, it's Mo. He tweaking. Oh my God, they tweaking out here.
Nah, I'm straight. Not good. That's over with. Over with. Over with.
Got him. We fucking got him.
You're going to jail. You're going to jail.
Y'all a vibe. This nigga ain't even stopping at stop sign.
You're going to jail.
Bro.
What the fuck? That was awkward as hell. What the fuck? We was just looking at each other head to head, folks.
Go, go, go.
Oh, shit.
Shot. Slow down, slow down. Slow down, slow down.
What up, boy? Man, this nigga going down one ways and shit. What is he doing?
Y'all on YouTube?
Yup.
Hey.
773 DAVO.
Alright.
Mo, what the fuck you got us, boy? That boy Mo trying to set us up. That boy got us in the real trenches, folks. Where do this nigga got us? We don't even know where we at. I know AJ finna be watching this like, what is y'all shorties doing, bro? Y'all just going through niggas' cribs. Ah! She talking about some ski.
When you see me, you ain't trying to say what's up.
Motherfuckers really say that out here talking about some ski. Like I'm a hoe on the corner or something. She tweaking. Ah! But I'm finna go back to the fucking crib. Fuck what they talking about.
I ain't going to the crib. I'm finna go to the east side.
I got like motherfucking 3 more minutes in me, folks.
Hey, where you from? Straight out, I'm from the east side. I just went to the west side, though.
They getting that twig. What DAVO go, folks? There go DAVO right there, folks. Alright, y'all. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, man. Y'all know, honestly, I never get that wild, man, but I had to get that wild. We in St. Louis right now, man. Now folks want to put on this sightsee. Get your goop, man.
Wild in the loop. Wild in the loop.
You know that. Yeah, they tripping. But yeah, though, y'all, man, we finna end off this video right here. We just turned this motherfucker up for y'all. I had to give y'all something, because I know a lot of y'all been asking me to slide my shit in the pit and do this and do that. I just be chilling, bro, but today I just have to show y'all, man, I could do it, I just don't do it. But I'm gonna start sliding for y'all in the pit. Folks gonna do this little thumbnail right now. This joint hard, gang. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, though, y'all, like I just said, just hit that like button, run it up for us. And let me know if y'all want another cut up video in the rack, bro. But the rack just don't play, bro. There be so many police officers, the rack don't play out here. It's kind of chill, honestly, bro. We only seen one police officer and they really wasn't on nothing. So just make sure that y'all sub to my channel, man. Give me to 100K and I keep on dropping the same videos for y'all, brody. We finna be on the way to the rack right now. Where we at right now?
I'll St. Louis.
St. Louis what up?
It's like Luther King Street. Now, this used to be Lucas. I used to stay over there when I was young.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just got Unk together. Alright, Unk. We just got Unk together. He got him some cigarettes, a drink, all type of, he got a whole bag.